A Quonset hut is a lightweight prefabricated structure of corrugated galvanized steel having a semicircular cross-section. The design was based on the Nissen hut developed by the British during World War I. Hundreds of thousands were produced during World War II and military surplus was sold to the public, making Quonset hut a household word. The name comes from their site of first manufacture, Quonset Point, at the Davisville Naval Construction Battalion Center in Davisville. Design and history. In 1941, the United States Navy needed an all-purpose, lightweight building that could be shipped anywhere and assembled without skilled labor. The George A. Fuller Construction Company was selected to manufacture them. The first was produced within 60 days of contract award. The original design was a 16 ft, 36 ft structure framed with steel members with an 80 ft radius. The sides were corrugated steel sheets. The two ends were covered with plywood, which had doors and windows. The interior was insulated and had pressed wood lining and a wood floor. The building could be placed on concrete, on pilings, or directly on the ground with a wood floor. As the original design used low-grade steel, a more rust-resistant version was called for. The all-spruce Pacific hut was created for use in the Pacific Theater of Operations. The most common design created a standard size of 20 ft, 48 ft with 10 ft radius, allowing 720 square feet of usable floor space, with optional 4-foot overhangs at each end for protection of entrances from the weather. Other sizes were developed, including 20 ft, 40 ft and 40 ft, 100 ft warehouse models. The flexible interior space was open, allowing for use as barracks, latrines, offices, medical and dental offices, isolation wards, housing, and bakeries. Between 150,000 and 170,000 Quonset huts were manufactured during World War II. After the war, the U.S. military sold the surplus Quonset huts to the public. Many remain standing throughout the U.S. Besides those that remain in use as outbuildings, they are often seen at military museums and other places featuring World War II memorabilia. Some are still in active use at U.S. military bases. For example, Camps Red Cloud and Casey near the Korean DMZ and Poa-Kuloa training area on the Big Island of Hawaii. Many were also used for temporary post-war housing, such as Roger Young Village in Los Angeles, California. Columbia Records Studio B in Nashville was also called the Quonset Hut, and Michigan State University's Quonset Village in East Lansing, Michigan, USA. A number of variations on the Quonset hut design use materials other than corrugated galvanized steel. See also, Nissen hut, Iris hut, Penarth, Iroquois longhouse, the Daniel house, Dimiction deployment unit, references. External links. History of Quonset hut from the U.S. Naval History Center website, Quonset huts at Wikipedia, Guam's online encyclopedia, Quonset huts Briny Breezes Florida, Quonset huts, at National Airport, Arlington, Arlington County, VA at the Historic American Buildings Survey.